Iran's IRGC Navy has released new footage showing surveillance of U.S. and allied Navy vessels in the Persian Gulf. The images feature a San Antonio-class amphibious transport dock (LPD) of the U.S. Navy, a Wasp-class amphibious assault ship of the U.S. Navy, and the Spanish helicopter carrier Juan Carlos I. The video footage released shortly after a ceremony celebrating the addition of 2,640 missile systems, drones, and other equipment to the IRGC Navy's combat organization. This is not the first time Iranian drones have captured detailed images of American military assets. In April 2021, the IRGC released close-up footage of an American aircraft carrier taken by the force's drones during an overflight in the Persian Gulf. The video, recorded by a 4-strong drone squadron, provided real-time, detailed views of every warplane and other military equipment on the carrier's deck. Testifying before the U.S. Congress that year, General Kenneth McKenzie, then head of the United States Central Command, stated that Iran's widespread use of drones meant that the U.S. was operating without complete air superiority for the first time since the Korean War. In 2019, Iranian media released high-quality, close-up footage showing an Abable 3 surveillance drone flying over the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower aircraft carrier in the Persian Gulf.